good, y'all? Riq the Pool Hall, doing what I do best. Skimming the pool. I am known as Super Net also, because I know how to get all this stuff out of the water. All right, getting the pool nice and clean for when I add that clarifier in. Let's get a shot at the bottom of the pool, baby. Now, when the pool is clear, you can see the drains and everything at the bottom. You notice there's a drain right here. You can get a close up of that, baby. Put it on ×2 if you would. You can kind of see that drain right there, but that's all you can see. But there are 2 drains in the bottom. My mission is to see them. Just a little bit more netting to do. Representing Alabama A&M University. 1875, go Bulldogs. I think we just about got pretty much everything out of here that we're gonna get. Moving around here. Proper disposal. Some say proper disposal, I don't know. Also, get a close up of my Sidney Lanier High School commemorative 45th anniversary mass. Go Poets! So got the RH and then the Sidney Lanier crest. I just found out today that every school that I went to, that I attended in Montgomery, Alabama, is now defunct. I don't understand it. Bellingraph's gone. All right. Ultraviolet Advanced Pool Clarifier. This is to clarify the pool. As I've been telling you, I netted it out. First I netted it out, and now I'm gonna clarify it so I can see down to the bottom to see if there are any microorganisms, AKA amoeba or algae left down in the bottom of the pool. Then I just simply vacuum them out, and I got a clean pool. So I like to start around the steps, because the steps, this is where most of your algae collects, believe it or not. Let's do some for the shallow end. Right as predicted. Just throw it in there. Not quite half a bottle. Great photography, hon. So we're gonna stop now and let this stuff do its thing. We're gonna let it clarify. I'm gonna come out here and take some extra shots to make sure that it's doing its thing. And it'll be a neat process to kind of get that time-lapse photography feel when you see this pool get clear from where it is now. So very interested. All right, Riq the Pool Hall, I'm out.